Tracking some breaking news out of Pullman tonight. Washington State University has announced that it will require all students and faculty participating in on-campus classes and programs to be fully vaccinated. That will go into effect on August 6th.
So this is going to apply to all campuses across the WSU system. Our own Ian Smay is live in the newsroom with more from the university on how they'll enforce the rule and then what campus life may look like in the fall. Ian.
That's right, guys. WSU made that announcement this morning, and as you said, it will go into effect just a little more than 2 weeks before classes are set to begin on August 23rd. And that requirement is for full vaccination, regardless of which vaccine you plan on getting. So students and faculty will need to be at least 2 weeks past their last shot. WSU spokesperson Phil Weiler told me earlier today that they, along with a lot of other universities, require proof of other vaccines, such as the MMR vaccine, and this will be no different. That means that students and faculty will be required to show proof of their vaccination status in order to take part in classes or any other programs on campus. Weiler said this decision arose from guidance given to the university by medical professionals.
One of the things that we heard loud and clear from WSU epidemiologists is the way that we get this pandemic behind us is through vaccinations. A lot of emphasis was placed on testing early on, but one of our chief epidemiologists says, you can't test your way out of a pandemic, you vaccinate your way out of the pandemic.
Now, even with the requirement, there are exemptions available to students and faculty. Those include medical, religious, and personal exemptions. Weiler says the university will require proof to be submitted to be granted those exemptions. Also, starting on November 1st, the university may subject those granted an exemption to regular COVID-19 testing and other health measures based on guidance from the CDC and Governor Jay Inslee's office. Weiler says the university simply wants people to make a choice so things can go back to normal in the fall.
Yeah, if we can get everybody vaccinated, we're going to be able to have very close to a completely normal kind of academic experience. You know, we intend to have face-to-face classes. The vast majority of our courses are going to be fully face-to-face. We want to be able to have fans in the stands for football, for basketball, for volleyball, all those indoor kinds of sports.
Now, we want to show you where other colleges and universities in our area stand on the subject of COVID-19 vaccines. As you can see here, the University of Idaho says it will not require vaccines, but strongly encourages them. The community colleges of Spokane say they have no plans to require vaccines, but that they do emphasize the importance of getting vaccinated. Whitworth University, Eastern Washington University, and Gonzaga University all told us earlier that leaders haven't made a decision yet. We've also reached out to North Idaho College and have not yet heard back. Weiler also said the university is going to continue working with the local health district on vaccine drives and helping students and faculty get vaccinated. He estimated that here soon, the university will have helped at least 3,000 people get vaccinated, and the university doesn't plan on stopping its vaccine efforts anytime soon. If you want to know what the fall term will look like and for that full list of what other colleges and universities are doing, you can text the word vaccine to 509-448-2000 and we'll send that info to your phone. Back to you guys.